Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful, amazing and interesting ideas of creativity. Creativity is more than just fun. It's a relaxing and anti-stress doors for everyone who is wants to do these type of creativity. It is stress release hormones and makes something unique in your mind and pure dopamine anti-stress thing for everyone. So viewers, in this video we show you, and the best part is crafting is not just fun for us and for those who is receive our gifts and take and see the love and really prosperity for our for who sent this. So this video and these designs are very creative and interesting, and you can make it at home, and this holiday season brings joy, happiness not only for us, for everyone. May your home fulfilled with happiness, love and prosperity. Thank you for watching, and we show you the amazing part is we whether it's craft, whether it's wooden craft, jute craft, or whatever which type wants to do. Button craft, very beautiful ideas, and everyone who is watching this interesting designs of craft ornaments and beautiful ideas. These crafted ideas take you to the world of very beautiful and amazing crafting world. You can make it easily and at home, and this season you will have to make it and sell it. So these designs are very creative, and you can get ideas from this video, and very useful popular designs and very beautiful too. Many people know that crafting is a very positive science or for our mind. Like we do crafts, so our focus on one thing, and it reduces stress and take your dopamine high. So if you do crafting, you will be relaxed and happy, will be happy. So viewers, hope you like the ideas and designs. We show you the amazing crafted wooden and also X-Mix special designs like snowman, like wooden hanging wall decoration. Mostly wall hanging decoration is the very popular in crafted idea, and if children do that, so definitely it's gonna be loved for everyone. Crafting is a very beautiful things who wants to do that, very creativity, because crafting has no limits, no boundaries. You can create whatever you think, what you think, what your inner side thinking. These craft ideas is for this season, upcoming season, winter holiday season, Xmas season. So these craft is very amazing and useful for everyone who wants to do that and getting ideas from this video. I wish may your life, may your home fulfilled with love and happiness. So we are showing you, we try to bring for you that amazing designs that really wants to take you very high types of crafting. If you want to know how to make it, we are showing the amazing and interesting collection for everyone who wants to do something different and amazing. Crafting is more than just something beautiful. It's a journey of creativity and mindfulness. Every time we cut, fold, paint or stitch, our mind slows down and focuses on the present moment. Crafting reduces stress, relaxes mind, and gives us a sense of accomplishment. It's like a natural therapy for the soul. So hope you enjoy this video. It also boosts confidence because each handmade piece is unique, carrying our love and imagination. Crafts connect us with tradition, with our family and with nature, especially when we use eco-friendly and recycled materials. And the best part, crafting brings joy not only to us but also to those who receive our handmade gifts. So whether it's a simple jute craft, a festive decoration, or a seasonal decoration, or a creative DIY projects, remember every little creation is a piece of happiness you make with your own hands. Wishing you a very happy festival. This holiday brings for you the amazing, full of happiness, full of crafty and good ideas. May your home fulfilled with loved happiness forever. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We gives you this amazing design for our amazing journey of keep crafting, keep. So this video gonna show you the amazing ideas and beautiful ideas for you, for everyone who wants to do that. So leave your comment in the comment section and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. And these designs are very amazing and gifty. So you can gift your friends. You can gift your friends as well. You can grow your business as well. So these beautiful designs is very amazing and unique. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We gives you the amazing ideas and designs. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness forever. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care, stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. God bless you.